So this is the place. Rules about fishing. Oh no. Rules about fishing. Prices. Map of the place. Here you can see the lake. The different kinds of depths in the lake. So 5 meters, 4, 6, 10 in the middle. So this was my problem this morning. My plan was to use these boats, one of these boats here, and go out, try some fly fishing and maybe some trolling. But I didn't get that far. As you can see, I tried to get out, but I couldn't get further than that, and there's maybe about 20 meters of ice left out to the water. So yeah, I guess the ice was thicker than I thought. But this place is perfect for ice fishing, so I have to come back. Yeah, anyway, let's leave this place. So this is the place. It looks really shallow though. Maybe in this little deeper pocket here there will be some fish, or down there. Okay, here we go. This looks better. So you got the river flowing down here, and you got this kind of pool, calm area down here. So I'm gonna try some casts here. This way. Maybe I should throw it over there, like keep it high. Yeah, there's some rocks here in the middle part, just above the surface. So I got to keep my rod high so I don't get snagged. I'm gonna try to get over there, that grass part. Hopefully I won't get electrocuted by this fence. I don't know if there's any animals in here. I haven't seen any. Yeah, this is the place I wanted to get to. And I got snagged instantly. Look at this. Looks like this is all I can get today. And I don't like sushi. Okay, so I'm changing lure. This is the last lure of the day. It's a Rapala. Looks like a small rainbow trout. That's it for today. I'm going home. Empty-handed, no fish. It was a nice morning though. Fun day. Even though I didn't get any fish, so it's always nice to get outside, do something. It's only 10:20 now, so I've got the rest of the day to do